What's up everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. So today we are gonna be hydro dipping an all white pair of Nike slides. Every time I do a hydro dip, you guys always comment in and give me like ideas for the next one, like colorways and stuff, and like they're all fire. And I was thinking, like, because there's like literally like thousands of comments, and I was like, if I do all of the colorways, then it's gonna be like hydro dip Nike slides 1022. That's just way too many. So I'm gonna do all of the colors you guys have suggested in one hydro dip. I've got the slides, I've got the spray paint. Whoa, hold up, I almost just completely forgot to mention, you guys may have noticed something slightly different, a little bit of a change, you know. I did actually move my desk. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it here, but you know, something new. I tried to switch things up a little bit. Anyway, I got the slides, I got the spray paints. Let's go. So now they're fully taped up, we can start the hydro dipping. But first, I gotta prime them. Let's go. Now that the shoes are fully primed, they're ready to be dipped. I haven't even told you guys what colours I'm going to be using yet. So the colours I'm going to be using are yellow, dark blue, green, red, purple, pink and light blue. There's quite a few. So let's get to spraying. Okay, so this is the design I came up with. Honestly, I have no idea how this is going to turn out whatsoever. Like, look at it. Like, it literally looks crazy. I'm going to go ahead and dip them in now in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh, whoa. Oh my days, do you know what they look like? They look like sweets. They look like a packet of like Star Mix, like Haribo, like, do you know what I mean? Like, you know, like you get like Pick a Mix at the cinemas that's really overpriced. It looks like that, but like on your shoes. I'm gonna go ahead, put this one to the side, but look how crazy it looks. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna put this one to the side and let's go ahead and start spraying for the second shoe. Let's go. Okay, so this is what the second dip looks like then. Like, if this one can come out like the first one, it's gonna be pretty lit, you know? So I got the left shoe now ready to go, ready to be dipped in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, let's see what they look like. Oh my god, bro! How lit is that? Oh my gosh, like, look at it. Bro, that's like, you got like 1 pair of slides and 2, it's like 4 pairs of slides in 1. Bro, oh my day, that's crazy. I'm gonna go ahead, put it to the side, wait for it to dry, then I'm gonna come back, take the tape off and show you what they look like completely finished. Let's go. So this is what they look like. Completely finished in custom multicolored hydro dip slides. They have so many different colors in them. This part looks like McDonald's, I think, and then you have like bubble gum as well. Like, it's just like every color all in one shoe. I think they turned out pretty fire, but as always, make sure to let me know what you think of them. Would you rock them? Would you wear them? Make sure to let me know down below. Today's comment shout out goes to James. I appreciate you watching. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe down below for more videos from me, and if you did enjoy the video, make sure to smash that thumbs up button. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace. Woo.